So you've got this great story you want people to read. Maybe you're still writing it. Maybe you've already finished writing. Well, there's a few steps you need to take to get that story in the hands of your readers. We'll take you through everything you need to know about getting your book edited and formatted, getting the book cover ready, and even how to export your book. And remember, even authors like Hugh Howey, Andy Weir, and E.L. James had to put in the work to have success in their self-publishing journeys. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with all our videos. So the first thing is, you need to ask yourself, is your manuscript edited? If not, then it really is a must. Good books are the product of talent, craft, revision, and more revision. You can look through the Reedsy marketplace and find editors who've worked on books like The Martian. You can select up to 5 of them and ask them for a quote for absolutely free. If you already have your manuscript edited and ready, then you can import it directly into the Reedsy book editor and format it according to your needs. You can add images, scene breaks, and use a host of formatting options. If your book requires more advanced formatting and interior design, designers on the Reedsy marketplace can also help you with that. So the next thing you need is a beautiful book cover to make your book irresistible to any reader. So think about it. Your book cover is the first thing people will notice, whether it's online or in bookstores. So it's your first marketing tool, and you need to catch the viewer's attention. So how do you actually get a great looking book cover? Well, you could try and do it yourself, but your best bet is to hire someone who actually knows what they're doing. Professional cover designers really know how to communicate the right message with a cover. On the Reedsy marketplace, again, you can find cover designers who've worked for the biggest publishing houses and on a wide variety of books. If you find a designer you want to work with, you can handle the whole collaboration on the platform without any hassle. The Warbird by Tara Kopp is an example of a book that was edited and had its cover designed through Reedsy. It even won a national award for the cover design. Not bad if you ask me. You can also learn more about book design, which, by the way, includes even more than just the cover, in one of the Reedsy Learning courses, for which you can sign up for free and it'll send you the short lessons right to your email every morning. Now that you've got your text edited and formatted, and had your beautiful cover designed, you need to add information about your book. For example, the description, ISBN number, publisher information, and in case you want to thank someone for helping you with the book. All this makes up the front matter of your book. You can add all these in the Book Settings tab on Reedsy. Now all that's left to do is to export your beautifully crafted book. With the Reedsy book editor, you can export your book as an EPUB, MOBI, or PDF file. EPUB and MOBI are formats used for ebooks, whereas our PDF file is ready for print. You can also choose the trim size, which is basically publishing speak for book size. Depending on which size you choose, the price of production will change, and so will the need for adapting the formatting. On Reedsy, you can find some of the most common book sizes for you to export your book in, all with the formatting done properly for you. There's even different template styles that you can choose from. My personal favorite is a romance one. You'll get an email with your typesetted book, and there you go. Your story is now ready to be read by anyone, completely formatted according to industry standards. Now, as a summary of all the different steps, the first thing you need to do is to get your text edited and formatted. After that, you need to get your beautiful book cover designed by a professional cover designer. Next, you need to make sure that all the relevant details of your book are included in the front matter. Then you're ready to export your book in the format and the size that you want. Now, if you go through these steps, you'll be well on your way to having a book that not only looks great, but also reads really well. Like this one, or this one, all doing really, really well. Now, if you enjoyed this video, we would greatly appreciate if you could hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell icon next to it so you get notified whenever we release a new video. We do a lot of different stuff on our channel, including writing tips, writing inspiration, and webinars with some of the leading experts in the self-publishing and publishing industry. And finally, don't forget to like and add a comment.